Another loan that people need to be aware of, and it's called an FHA 203K. And what that means is you can purchase a property and make improvements on the property into the future, and they'll loan you money to purchase the house plus make those improvements. Of course, you got to go through the correct documentation, what all needs to be done, estimates and that sort of thing before they can close it, and you have to show proof that those items were done. But this will allow you to purchase a property and then make improvements after the fact. This works really good if you're purchasing a foreclosure. They will appraise it based on the current value and the improved value. But this way you can purchase a property that maybe it's in a great area but it's not in great condition, and you don't have to pull cash out of pocket or have savings or reused credit cards or anything like that.
This is legit. It's ever verified. When it comes down to it, the 203K program is an amazing program. It gives you money to buy the property and to renovate it and ultimately bring it up to standard. But for the investors out there, just know it's an FHA program, which requires you to live in the property. One of the things I want to make sure I'm very clear on is I love real estate, but you also have to be mindful of where we are in the market cycle. I'm not one of those advocates that believes that the real estate market is just going to continue going up forever. In fact, in certain segments across the country, markets have already started to pull back. So just be aware of where you're going to be acquiring a particular property and know that you need to be a little bit more prudent with regard to how you negotiate that deal.